Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access and remove the starter rope in your trimmer. I'll begin by removing the recoil starter from the engine. The starter is typically held in place with 4 screws. On many trimmers, you can just simply remove the screws and the starter will come right off. My trimmer is a little different. I'm going to need to remove the housings in order to remove the starter. So I'll do that first. With the housings out of the way, I can remove the last 2 screws that secure the starter and remove it. With the starter removed, now I can begin disassembling it. The first thing I need to do is get the tension off of the recoil spring. To do that, I'll pull the rope from the starter handle and untie or cut off this knot. Then I'll remove the starter handle and allow the rope to recoil into the starter housing. Now remove the screw in the center of the starter. The screw secures all of the starter's components. Now I'll remove the rope from the pulley. And that's all it takes to access and remove the starter rope in your string trimmer.